You access your Twitter account with your username and password. If for some reason you want to change your password, you can do it from within Twitter settings. Just click Settings up here, and then click Password. That displays the password window. Now you have to type in 3 passwords here. The first box is your current password, and then the next 2 boxes are the password you want to start using. So I'm going to type in my current password, and then I'll type in a new password here. And notice that there's some tips over here. They want you to be tricky. What they mean there is that they want you to use a longer password, at least 6 characters, and that it shouldn't be a dictionary word or a common name. It's also a good idea to include numbers or a mixture of upper and lowercase characters. That makes a good strong password. So I'm going to type in a new password here. And I have to type it twice. When I've typed them both in there, I click Change. And Twitter's accepted the change and it's going to let me go back to my account. Now sometimes you may forget your password. This is why you gave Twitter an accurate email address. If you forget your password, you need to confess to Twitter so you can reset it. Now there's 2 places that you might have forgotten your password. If you set up your browser to automatically log you into Twitter every time you connect, and then you're in Twitter and for some reason you want to change your password, you might be in the password window here and you need to change it, but you can't change it if you don't know what it currently is. So that's a problem. You'll see that there's a Forgot Your Password link here. You also might be already logged out. Maybe you haven't used Twitter in a while and you go to sign in and again you don't remember what your password is. So you have to confess. Just click the Forgot Password link and it'll take you to a screen that'll help you. So I'll just click that. And what it's prompting me for here is my email address or my Twitter username. So I'll put in my Twitter username. And when I click Send Instructions, Twitter sends instructions to the email account that I've got on file. It tells me to go check it. So I've got my Gmail box open. I'm going to click on that to see it. And sure enough, here's a message here from Twitter. I can click that to read it. When I do, it says, "Can't remember your password, huh? It happens to the best of us." Happens to me an awful lot, I know. All I need to do now is just click this link. And when I click it, it'll take me back to Twitter and it'll prompt me to enter a new password twice. So let's do that. I've typed that in. It likes it. It says it's strong. I'll click Change. And I can again proceed to my account and I've got my new password. If you're in the habit of forgetting your passwords, you might want to keep a little password book. That's what I do. I keep all my passwords written down in a book and I keep that book in a very safe place. You see, it's pretty easy to change your password if you need to. Maybe someone else has gotten access to your password or perhaps you just have a really good policy about changing all your passwords periodically. Just go to Settings and click Password and use the window that appears to change your password. And if you forget your password or even your user ID, Twitter can help you reset it or remember them.